Sanbanani, my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button. So guys, during these December holidays, we were at home, KZN, Lady Smith, KwaZulu-Natal, Mnambithi, Wafelubala. So I was like, you know what, let me just create content about life, a village, life in rural areas. So like, this is the life we face every day. So lana we were heading to Emfuleni to actually wash ingubo, guys, because like we don't have water. Over there can Oscars, like it's been like 6 months ngamaz. So like sipila Emfuleni, sipila like Wakingi. Yeah, so that's our life here. It's so peaceful, guys. I just took a break from Joburg life and all like the big city life, So I just like, you know what, now I need fresh air. So yeah. So Safia Emfuleni, guys, after like a long walk, cause like it's a distance from my house to Emfuleni. Hey, I didn't know what the energy yokwasha ingubo sizoyithatha phi. Sithe masifika nje, guys, you won't believe senje masifika savele saba disappointed, cause look, bheka nje amanzi up round amanzi. So besingazosenza njani ke ngosiyami saphikisana ukuthi okay, hi guys, masingajojani kusiyami sigcine sesiwasha ngamanzi sigcine sesiwasha ngecoffee, guys. But anyway, besingana choice. Alright, guys, so this was day 2 after reswasha ingubo. Lana ke sikwaking besiyokha amanzi, guys, fresh water from like straight from the ground. Yes, so that's how we do it. Yeah. Kuba ntombi. Mama nanya le. Sizinami ngamncane ngiphatha iBhayibheli ukuthwala. Ha. Yinyana lesibeke kuyo. Okay, guys, I had to give my sister a break, so now I'm getting ampumuza, and then now I push amanzi. And when I got home, I had a glass of fresh water. I was so thirsty. Oh, big shiz. Okay, Emakhaya, guys, kuyatshalwa umbila, like njengasekhaya nje kutshaliwe umbila, as you can see. So it's unfortunate that uzovuthwa masisingekho sesise Joburg. Shame, so one thing ukuthi nje if usemakhaya uzobona ngokuthi like kutshaliwe, it's either umbila, potatoes, like everything like you can imagine of. So asisweli at all. So it's unfortunate ukuthi lo mbila lo mawuvuthwa sizobe sesingekho thina sizobe sesemakhaya. So I wonder ukuthi uzodliwa ubani. Oh my god. Hey, alamaqhude. Qhude maniki. Qhude maniki. Aza. Ela la khaliphi nkosana? Oh. Qhude. Maniki. Yeah? So I took my sister these pictures because she was trying to create her own content, but they say we're just friends, but friends don't know how others say. Okay, guys, this is essentially a disciplinary action because nabonile earlier on good bewala lamaqhude, and then we had to to apply a disciplinary action. Niyabona nan plus ke besishoda ngeshebo for that day. Like ishebo somleqwa ke simnandi, like inkukhu ehlatshiwe sibizwa ngomleqwa imnandi, and yeah, I prefer yona over like braai pack, and takeaways. It's just like it's nice honestly, and yeah, sayicutha ke ngamanzi ashisayo, and yeah, that was it. Yeah. Ngithi mama sesiyibuyisela endlini manje ngibona ngathi umlilo yawo phela ngenzela wena ukuthi nobaba ngathi napheka ngale enkunyana nje. So ke guys, lana besipheka ishebo santambama. It's called ubhontshisi omhlophe. Ave umnandi yo. So uthenga ubhontshisi omhlophe and then uyawuboil for almost like an hour. Faka amaraja, faka onion yakho, and yeah, and nama spices, and then this is how it turns out to be. Woo, I prefer home cooked meals over like anything. So guys, lona uguqa is different from irondo. Uguqa, like, it's those Zulu houses, and yeah, uyanguqa mawungena kuwona, and yeah, labe sesihleli sonke kumnandi.
Bashimbodlela lezi amalokhuza yini kwanje amashona lokho ama bafela ukudla ekhaya lo nini la savana kade bekhamba bengekho nje besisuka nayithi thina njalo sikuza nayithi isavana bese angani ungifonela ilizwe ngathi uzozephuza utshwala edala ngabe sakwazi ukukhuluma ngithi usuyaphuza umntwana mama uthi phela ngiyajabula nami ngiyajabula ngoba kukhisimu ngathi mina losazana usazobutshana losazala thina sikhuza nje ithina u14 ekhasi bazutshwana hawo I know.
So yeah, guys, we went for a hiking. So like, you know, growing up in the villages, like you just hike your whole life because like there are mountain hills, valleys. So like you're not someone who's actually impressed by like people paying for hiking because like you do that for your whole life. Guys, got home and rested after a long day of hiking. Bye. See you on my next video.